back again here for the Mindcraft number 3. The Mindcraft, TMC number 3. Well, today we need to deal with uncertainty and inevitability and happiness. Well, whether you like it or not, things are going to be uncertain for you. Things are going to be inevitable and you need to discover happiness. Well, most of the things we go through is uncertain. It's like a hit. See, you have on one side, you have a method of living through protocol, procedure, process, preparation, plan, pricing, payment, position, principles, policies, place. So these are the things you are relying upon because that's giving you a framework of a sense of certainty. But many things happen to you as a hit that's outside your preparation, plan, protocol, procedure, process, policy, principles. So what is that one principle that you will never ever breach? Never ever break? One principle. Do you have one in your head? Well, then when the hit comes, then you're going to have to move on. A hit means what? Something that happens to you without certainty. I mean, it just happened to you. You're just hit. Something sudden, impactful, abrupt, drastic. It may cause some kind of uprooting you from your routine. It may disrupt your comfort and convenience. Haven't you experienced such things? A hit. You have not planned or prepared and a hit. And many people think it is very nice to have a hit. That's why they go out into the picnicking adventure grounds. They call it adventure. And yet again they put a framework around the hit. They say safety net, security and safety standards and licensing and training and lifesavers and coach and many rangers to help you when you go to the forest to stay there for a couple of nights, or when you go to the deserts to stay there for a couple of nights as an adventure, or you go to an adventure park. What you want to experience is the thrill, the adrenaline rush when there's a hit. Yeah, a hit is sudden, it is random, it is sporadic. How do you deal with it? Well, the skills you need to be witty, you need to be negotiating with the hit at that point of time, at that moment. How is your ability to negotiate? Not only verbal negotiation, but surviving the hit, the bargaining with the hit. It's risky. You're going to have to move through risks. Otherwise, how will you enjoy the thrill of living on the edge? Survival. It's a great adrenaline rush. So people do a lot of almost weird things to imitate a hit. They call it adventure. Well, in any which case, they still experience a little monotony in that, a little apathy, because repetitively they know for sure there is no danger. But originally a hit, you are exposed to dangers. It's a gamble. And our living, most of the things every day in a day-to-day life, you're moving through uncertainty. So how are you able to be happy with inevitability? Inevitability means this is where you have arrived, whether you like it or not. And then the best now, how to survive. Can you still be happy when things are just on your face and things that you're not prepared for? On your face, you're engulfed, or you are in it, you are deep into certain situation where you want to get relief because suddenly you are helpless, vulnerable, gullible because you are moving through hit. How do you retain your happiness? For this you need to know the dynamics of a hit, the inevitability. For that you need to get little more flexibility in your brain, malleability in your mind, and ductility in your heart. You need to not to be so rigid and make a climb down from your severe, rigid standpoints and positions that you have. So you need to subscribe to some kind of breathing techniques, pranayama of India, and practice some kind of Indian type of meditation. So subscribe to the Mindcraft. This is Mindcraft number 3, and look forward for Mindcraft number 4. Ensure you execute these things, you implement it, and you survive through the hit, because you have to know how to move through things when things are inevitable to you. So look forward for more thought process of the Mindcraft. Number 4 is coming soon.